So what Fibonacci extension tool does is, after a retracement, after the Fibonacci retracement tool help you get your target, which is here. So where is going to be the next target when the price is going up? That is what Fibonacci extension will help you to get, right? And with Fibonacci extension tool, we are going to be needing 3 points, right? We're going to be needing this A point, this B point, and this new C point. So this is the trend-based Fibonacci extension tool. So you pick it from this swing low here to this swing high, and then back to the new swing low. So those are the 3 points. So you need this point, you need this point A, you need this point B, and then you need this new point C to get the next target. Do you understand? So the first target I'm always looking out for when using Fibonacci extension tool is between this 50% retracement level and 618 retracement level. So that's the first one I'm always looking out for. So let's say I'm buying a particular commodity around this region. The first place I'm going to take profits is this 618 in between this region. So that's the first place I'm going to be taking profit, because as a trader, you always like to take profits as price move up, because you don't go broke taking profit. Do you understand? So the first region where you'll be looking out for is this region, because it is possible price might not even break this region and then it comes down. So at first, you take profit at this 618 level. So if price breaks through, you can keep holding that position, and then you can now start targeting the one-to-one extension. And what this one-to-one extension, this is the 100% extension. You can change it to percentages. Let me change it to percentages so you know what I'm talking about. So this is 100%, this is 50%, this is 618, and this is 161%. Do you understand? So when you use Fibonacci extension tool, you want to be targeting this 50% to 61.8% at first. Do you understand? Because price might not break it. So it's a game of probability, and you can't be sure if price will get here. So you want to take your profit first. Because if you don't take profit and price start to drop back to where you bought, it's basically changing a winning trade to a losing trade or a break-even trade, which doesn't make sense. So you want to take profit as price goes up. So always have different targets for your profit levels. Do you understand? So the next target I'm going to be looking out for is this 100%. This 100% just represents the distance between A to B. So they call it one-to-one target, right? It means the distance between A to B will be the distance between C to D. This is what 100% level represents. So the distance between here to this place will be the distance between this place to this place. So it's one-to-one extension. That is what it's called. So let's measure it. So from the beginning of A to B, right, will be the same distance from C to D. Can you see? So you can say that it's the same distance. So the third target you'll be looking out for will be the 161.8 level. That will be the third target. Some people usually take target at 1, 2, 3, but once it can break the 100% level, which is the one-to-one level, then most likely price will get to this place, right? So this place will be your first target, right? This 100% will be your second target, right? The third target will be the 161.8 level. Do you understand? So those are the 3 targets for the Fibonacci extension tool. So I hope you know how to use Fibonacci extension now. So I'm going to be showing you the real life scenarios of how to use Fibonacci retracement tool and Fibonacci extension tool. For example, we have been having a downtrend, right? We have been having a downtrend, and I told you that you always enter a trade between 618 and 786 level. So for example, let's say we want to get to this region. Let's say this region has not even happened yet. This particular move from from this region to this region, because that's retracement, because price is going down. So anything going up while price is going down is retracement. So those are retracement level. So what I'm going to be doing is picking it from this A, which is swing high, to this B, which is swing low. So all I'm going to do is pick my Fibonacci retracement tool, drop it on the swing high here, down to the swing low. So this is the swing low. This region is the swing low. So what I'm seeing here is that price touched the 618 region. Remember, I said it's always between 618 region and 786 region that price usually retrace to before coming down. So now this is the part where you'll be taking your trade, because in a downtrend you want to be taking more short trade. Short trade means when price go down, you make money. Do you understand? You want to take more shots when price is going down, and if price is going up, you want to be taking more long than short. So here price retraced to 618 level, right? So we already got our retracement level at this 618. Then what is Fibonacci extension going to be doing for us? We already used Fibonacci retracement to get this retracement level from this B to this C. So now we have 3 points. So we want to use our Fibonacci extension to get our next target. So now I'm going to be needing 3 points, which is this place, this swing high, this swing low, and the new swing high. So let me remove this. So I'm going to pick my Fibonacci extension tool, drop it on swing A, drop it on swing B, and then drop it on swing C. So as I said earlier, for Fibonacci extension tool, you want to be targeting the 50 to 61.8% first for your first take profit. So let's say you entered a short trade at this point, at this 618 Fibonacci retracement level point. You want to be taking profit first at this point, because it is possible price gets here and then it starts to go up. So it means that if you took the trade and you didn't take your profit around this area, it means you can even get into a losing trade, or your trade will turn to a break even from a winning trade. So you want to take your first profit here. Then if the trend continues to go down, your second profit will be at 100% extension level. So 100% extension level, as I said earlier in the course, is the distance between A to B here. So the distance between A to B will be the distance between C to D. Do you understand? So this 100% will be your second take profit level. The third take profit level will be the 161.8 level. So this would be the third take profit level. So if you took a trade around this area, then let's see what you are going to have. So let's say you close about 40% of your position here, and then you close another 30% here, and then you close another 30%. Your average profit at the end of the day will be around maybe 22 to 23%. Do you understand? This is another example. So this is for an uptrend, right? So we're going to be using Fibonacci retracement tool, and we're going to be using Fibonacci extension tool. Fibonacci retracement tool helps us to get retracement level, where price is going to retrace to after a particular movement. So this is an uptrend, and when you are drawing Fibonacci retracement tool for an uptrend, it's going to start from the swing low to the swing high. So now this already happened. So this already happened, right? Then we are trying to get where it's going to retrace to before it will continue going up. So the place we are trying to get is this region price retraced to before it started going up. So what we are going to do is to pick our Fibonacci retracement tool and then use it from swing low to the swing high. That's point A to point B. So we click on this and then drag it to where point B is. So this is the top of the point B. So that's the move. So we measured it from here to this place to get where it's going to retrace to. So let's see where it's retraced to. So you can see it's retraced to 786 before the reversal, right? Before it continue going up. So I told you that your entry price should always be between 618 and 786. Remember, I said do not enter at once at 618 because traders like this 786 retracement level a lot. So let's say you enter 50% around 618, you entered another 25% here, and then you enter another 25% at 786. So your average entry price will have been around this area, right? So you're taking a long position because this is an uptrend, so you're looking to buy. So let's say you have bought around this place because you use Fibonacci to get this target that is going to retrace to before it to continue going up. So what Fibonacci extension will do for us is that it is going to help us get the next target from this retracement level to the new highs. For extension 2, we're going to be needing 3 points. Remember, we're going to be needing the swing low here, then the swing high, and then the new swing low. Those are the 3 points we are going to be needing. So let's draw our Fibonacci extension tool out. So this is point A, point B, and then point C. So what do we have here? So we know the first take profit level is between 50. Let me extend this out so you can see it better. Yeah. So the first take profit level, so let's say you entered around here where the Fibonacci retracement showed us. So the first take profit level is between 50 and 618 level. That's the 61.8% level. So your first take profit should be here, right? The second take profit should be the 100%, right? That will be the second take profit. I already told you that it is possible price might not even break this place at first, and then price will continue going down. So you don't want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade. So take some of your profit here first. So when price broke this 618 level, we started targeting the 100% level. And I told you that 100% level is basically the distance between this A and B. Do you understand? Is the distance, the exact distance between this A and B is what we have between C and D. Do you understand? So now our second take profit level is 100%. The third one will be 161.8% level, which is this one. So if you've taken the trade here, a long trade here, you'll be planning to sell the first set around here, the second set around here, and the third set around here. This is about, the third target is about 49% from the entry price. This is very huge, and this is what you get from the banks in about 5 years. This is what you can make on a particular trade or a setup. So that's basically all the examples I want to show in this video. Make sure you clear your charts and make sure you practice how Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement work. For every trade, I always use Fibonacci retracement and extension tool. Fibonacci retracement tool helps you get the target where prices are going to retrace to after a particular move. So if there's an uptrend, Fibonacci retracement tool will help you get where it's going to drop to before it will continue moving up. For Fibonacci extension, it will help you get the profit target or how far a price may travel after a retracement. So you use Fibonacci retracement before using Fibonacci extension tool. Do you understand? So these are the levels, and if you've not done your trading view setup, so you can use these settings to set your Fibonacci extension tool up. This would be the end of indicators. I hope you guys enjoy this particular module. It is a very long lesson. Take a rest or you take a coffee, and we'll see in the next video.